Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Emily and today I have for you a quick 10-minute standing sequence. So when you're ready, you can come join me on your mats. And we'll begin with just a few rounds of half salutations. So standing at the top of our mats with our toes together, we can inhale, take the arms out and up, nice tall standing stretch. Exhaling, diving forwards from the hips, coming into our forward fold, generous bend in the knees. Inhale, sliding the palms up to your shins, lengthening through the legs, nice flat back in our half lift. Exhaling, folding forwards, generous bend in the knees. Inhale, taking the arms back out and up, coming all the way back up to standing. Exhale. Hands come down in prayer, taking a breath. Inhale. Exhaling, releasing the hands down. Inhale, taking the arms back out and up. Exhaling, diving forwards into your forward fold, belly to thighs. Inhale, lengthening to your half lift, nice flat back. Exhaling, folding forwards, belly to thighs. Inhale, sinking the hips back, arms out and up, coming back to standing. Exhaling, hands down in prayer. One more time. Take a breath in. Exhale, release the hands. Inhale, out and up. Exhaling, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhaling, folding forwards. Inhale, taking the arms out and up. Coming back to standing. Exhale. Hands come down in prayer. Beautiful. Then keeping the feet together, we'll find our way into our chair pose. So as we inhale, we'll bend the knees and sink the hips back, sweeping the arms up in line with the ears, coming into our chair. Beautiful. Nice strong legs here. The belly and ribs are pulling in, and the tailbone is tucking down. Deep breaths. Sinking those hips a little bit lower, seating a little bit more in your seat. One more breath. Exhale. We can come back to standing. Great. Then keeping the right foot at the top of the mat, we'll step the left leg back one leg distance. And we can bend into that front knee, bringing the arms in line with the shoulders, coming into our warrior two. Gazing at the middle finger, the shoulders relax down the back. And just checking those hips are in line with the long side of the mat. Keep breathing. One more breath. Inhaling, flipping the front palm. Exhale, reaching that top arm up and over into our reverse warrior. We can slide the left hand down the back leg. One more breath. Inhale, we'll come back to our center in warrior two. Exhale, using your core, we'll bring that right hand down to the inside of the right leg, coming into our extended side angle. We can take that left arm up overhead in line with the ears. And nice deep breath. One more breath. Using your exhale and your core, bring yourself back up to your warrior two. We can then release those hands down and come back to stand at the top of your mat. Great. Maybe shake out those legs. Oof. And we'll do the same on the other side. So I'm just turning around so you guys can see me. Inhale, stepping back that right foot, coming into our warrior two. Hips in line with the long side of the mat. Arms in line with the shoulders. Shoulders relaxed down. And we're gazing at the middle finger of the left hand. Nice deep breaths. We have a nice bend in that front knee. Inhale, flipping the front palm. Exhale, reversing our warrior. Sliding that right palm down the back of the leg. One more breath. Inhale, coming back to our center. Exhale, using our core to bring that left hand down to the inside of that foot and reaching that right arm up and over. Coming into our extended side angle pose. And again, nice deep breaths. One more breath. And again, using our exhale and your core to bring yourself back up to your warrior two. We can then release those hands down and step it back to the top of our mats. Oof. Shaking out those legs. Great. We'll just finish with a couple more stretches. So we'll bring those feet out wide, wider than hip width apart. Hands to the hips. Inhale, stand nice and tall through the spine. Exhale, hinging from the hips, we'll fold forwards into a wide forward fold. Bringing those hands to rest down on our mats. Or if you can't quite reach the mat, we can grab hold of our blocks today to rest those hands on our blocks instead, so that we can keep those shoulders pulling down the back. And we're nice and lengthened through that spine. One more breath. Inhaling, we'll bring the hands to the hips. Exhale, coming all the way back up to standing. Great. We'll turn the heels in and the toes out to the corners of our mats. And as we exhale, we'll bend into the knees, sinking the hips into our goddess pose. And we can bring the hands together in prayer. And nice deep breaths here. Nice strong legs. Squeezing those toes into the mat. The belly and ribs pulling in, the core is engaged. Sinking those hips a little bit lower. One more breath, you got this. Exhale, we can come back to standing and we can release those legs, shake those legs out. Whew, great work. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that sequence was everything that you needed today. If so, please like the video, save for later, leave me a little comment in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for some more free yoga content. Thanks again, I'll see you next time. Namaste.